Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So peeling off the plastic, this is how the box looks like. Opening the box, firstly we have this leaflet which consists of SIM ejector tool and then some documentation of warranty information and user guide. And then we have the phone itself. Let's put that aside and take a look at other contents inside the box. Inside the box we have something called Max Box, which I'll talk about in a minute, and also in the box we have a USB cable and a power adapter. So here I'm peeling off the plastic, turning on the phone and going through the setup process, during which we will be asked to register our fingerprint, which took longer than I expected for some reason, but once it's set up it does unlock instantly and does so very consistently. In terms of storage, this phone has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, out of which about 8 gigabytes is used by the phone, so around 23 gigabytes is available out of the box, and thankfully it is running Oreo right out of the box. Asus is calling it near stock Android experience. Next, in terms of physical overview, on the front here we have a soft light LED flash, an earpiece and a camera. To the bottom we have on-screen buttons. To the right we have the power and volume buttons, and to the left we have SIM card slot. To the bottom we have speaker, micro USB port, noise cancelling microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And to the top we have a secondary noise cancelling microphone. On the back we have dual lens camera, and under that we have the flash, and then we have fingerprint scanner followed by the Asus branding. So now talking about the Max Box, what this does is it essentially enhances the audio experience of the phone. I'll test it and I'll be making a video about it in the next few days. Next, in terms of weight, this phone weighs at 180 grams, so it's not too heavy in my opinion. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you are interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel, and once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.